Cisco Packet Tracer is a powerful network simulation tool developed by Cisco Systems. Designed primarily for students and educators, it provides a virtual environment for creating, configuring, and troubleshooting network topologies without the need for physical hardware. At its core, Packet Tracer is about learning through doing. It allows users to experiment with network designs, protocols, and devices in a risk-free digital space, making it an indispensable resource for anyone studying computer networking.
To understand why Cisco Packet Tracer is so important for networking students, it helps to first consider the complexities and challenges of learning about networks. Traditional networking courses often require access to expensive hardware like routers, switches, and cables. For many students and educational institutions, especially those with limited budgets, obtaining enough equipment for hands-on practice can be difficult. This is where Packet Tracer shines. By simulating real network devices and their behavior, it levels the playing field, providing every student with the opportunity to build and test their own network designs.
With Packet Tracer, users can drag and drop routers, switches, computers, servers, and other network devices onto a workspace, connecting them just as they would in a real-world lab. It supports a wide range of Cisco devices and protocols, allowing students to create anything from a simple home network to a complex enterprise infrastructure. The simulation capabilities enable users to configure device settings, assign IP addresses, set up routing protocols, and even test how data flows across the network. Whether it's configuring a VLAN, setting up a wireless network, or practicing troubleshooting skills, Packet Tracer offers an immersive, interactive learning experience.
One of the standout features of Packet Tracer is its ability to visualize network traffic. Students can see how packets travel from one device to another, observe the effects of misconfigurations, and understand how different protocols operate in real time. This visual feedback is invaluable for grasping abstract networking concepts that can be hard to understand from textbooks alone. By experimenting and seeing the immediate results of their actions, students gain a deeper, more intuitive understanding of how networks function.
Packet Tracer is also closely integrated with Cisco's Networking Academy, a global education program that helps learners develop networking, cybersecurity, and IT skills. Many Networking Academy courses, including the popular Cisco Certified Network Associate (CCNA) certification, use Packet Tracer activities as part of their curriculum. This means students can practice real exam scenarios in a simulated environment that closely mirrors what they'll encounter in the workplace or on certification tests. The ability to practice and repeat complex configurations as many times as needed builds confidence and competence.
Beyond technical skills, Packet Tracer fosters problem solving and critical thinking. Networking is really about simply following instructions, it's about diagnosing issues, predicting outcomes, and adapting to new challenges. Packet Tracer's simulation environment encourages students to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from them without the fear of damaging expensive equipment or disrupting a production network.
As the world becomes increasingly connected, the demand for skilled network professionals continues to grow. Cisco Packet Tracer helps bridge the gap between theory and practice, making networking education accessible, engaging, and effective. For students, it's more than just a tool. It's a gateway to building the foundational skills needed for a successful career in IT and networking.
In summary, Cisco Packet Tracer is a vital resource for networking students. It provides hands-on experience, supports interactive learning, and prepares learners for both certification exams and real-world challenges. By making complex networking concepts approachable and practical, Packet Tracer empowers the next generation of network professionals to succeed in a digital world.